Okay, here we go with the warm-up. Now I want you to, the first one to stretch. I want you to curl up like a ball and stretch to the sky. Slowly. Nice slow stretch up to the sky. Good job. Now I want you to point your left toe. Right. And now your right toe. Now, tricky one, we're going to do a knee sweep. Put your hands on your knees and sweep your knees around in a little circle like that. Good. Okay. Now, arms out, make sure you've got enough room so you're not touching anyone, and just swivel gently like this. Twist your hips. Very good. Excellent. Now I just want to do some shoulder rolls to stop the swivels. Just shoulder rolls like that. One after the other. Like you're doing your backstroke at swimming. Now I want you to jump gently on the spot. Nice and gentle, with hardly a sound. That's good. Now stop that. Now we'll jump as heavy as you can. Excellent. Okay. Now I want you just to make some circles with your feet. Some circles with your right foot and some circles with your left foot. Okay, good. Thank you.
Go.
Thunder. Wind. Rain starting. Okay, light rain. Rather rain. Okay, walk in a circle. Jump up and down, right? And then walk lightly in a circle. Okay, the heavier rain. Jump heavy. Okay, separate. Jump up and down. Your heavy raindrops. And your puddles. Okay, stand up. Now we mark the puddles with our feet. Another foot. And we'll jump over the puddles. Okay, now we're going to tap the puddles in our toes and walk through them on our heels. Okay, now in pairs we're going to jump in the puddle. Okay, now we're going to slap our hands in the puddles. And the sun's coming out. And good job.